What's Gucci Familia?
Hey,
I'm Josh.
I'm Corinita.
And we
Are
illexotic. What's up? How y'all doing? It's good to be back. We've been on hiatus for a minute.
Yeah,
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Nice.
We released an album and stuff. That's
Released
pretty
an album,
exciting.
did the damn thing. Ghosted YouTube for a minute, but we're back now because we got some very special news and a very special video to give y'all.
What is it about?
Audius Gang, baby, let's go! So, if you have not heard of Audius, Audius is the newest and dopest decentralized open source blockchain music streaming platform, free to use for artists and listeners.
Best audio.
Best audio quality on the interwebs. They're dope.
Best audio quality and the coolest audio. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh,
Audio.
okay.
Let's go.
In recent news, Audius recently partnered with TikTok. BitBoy mentioned Audius. He made a whole video about Audius.
Yeah.
And that token is climbing, baby. That token is climbing.
And it's one of the most used apps, right?
Yeah, I think it's like the number one most used by API calls, whatever that means, crypto apps. Audius is amazing. The community is amazing. It's growing like crazy. There's a ton of amazing artists on there, more hopping on all the time, and you should be too.
Yeah. And we had a recent experience we just put together and are running a remix contest. And so that was our first experience with the Audius Grants Committee.
Audius Grants Committee!
We are giving away free audio, but it's not out of our own pocket. We got that audio for free to give to others.
Yes, exactly. And so today we're going to talk to you about the Audio Grants Committee, how you can get involved, what it's all about, and we'll even talk a little bit about our experience of running a remix contest on Audius. Let's get it.
Let's go.
So the Audio Grants Committee is a committee consisting of 12 more well-known artists who are also active blockchain enthusiasts and engaged users of Audius and members of the community, as well as 3 veto moderators from the Discord and community.
The committee started as an on-chain government's proposal to distribute a total of up to 100K audio tokens for community members to reward to their audiences.
That's a lot of audio.
That is a lot.
So anyone can apply for these grants. You do need a specific audio amount that you're applying for and a specific purpose that you're applying for this grant on your application. You'll have to explain that all in detail when you're filling out the application. So for example, in our case, we were applying for audio to run a remix contest that was going to be a reward to the winners. So we applied for a total of 350 audio, and we detailed that first place was going to win 200 audio, second place would win 100 audio, and third place would win 50 audio. We detailed all of that, as well as the song, the dates that the contest would be run, and everything on the application.
The other application I put in was to buy myself a Ferrari, and that one was denied.
Try again next time.
To get your grant, you'll provide either your Audius wallet or Metamask wallet address. Your Audius wallet is found under Audio and Rewards tab when logged into audius.co. You'll click the Receive Audio button and copy your address. Pretty simple.
Yeah. And you'll need that because you need to provide the address that they are going to actually send the audio to in your application. So some grant ideas that the Audio Grants Committee has stated that they're looking for, according to their Twitter account, are remix contests, recurring live streams, community playlists, onboarding initiatives, educational events, AMAs or Ask Me Anythings, and panel discussions.
And grant ideas they're not looking for is personal expenses, music equipment, marketing or PR, mixing, mastering, production, location and equipment rentals, tour support, or maybe buying your first Ferrari.
Dang it. For something like a live show or event, a grant could potentially be used for that to reward participating artists that are playing in the event. However, it can't be used for personal gain or to cover venue-related costs or anything like that.
So go straight to the community.
Straight to the community.
Not to
Straight to the artists.
places.
Yeah, exactly. Also, if you apply and you are awarded a grant one time, then if you apply again, you're going to want to apply for a different category the next time. So, for example, if you are awarded a grant for a remix contest like we were, then the next time you're going to want to apply for something different, such as, say, applying for audio to pay participants in a feedback stream of your favorite artists that you like who are on Audius or something.
Oh, dang. When's Lizzo gonna get on Audius? I'm trying to plan something.
Lizzo, we calling you out, fam. Let's go, Audius gang.
You know, we are flute sisters. You just don't know it.
Oh, flute sisterin'.
Yeah.
Sisterhood of the flute.
Bitch. So you should allow for at least 2 weeks to hear a response via the email. So if you don't get a response after a few weeks, contact Maxwell, Galaxy, or Stormwaves via the Audius Discord. They're awesome. You definitely want to reach out to them.
Yeah, they're dope. And it's really that simple. In your grant application, you want to provide all of that information, be clear, concise, specific, and provide them with any other information that you think they might need. And we'll have a link to the actual application itself down below in the description. So here's the audio grant application itself. Again, anyone can fill it out as long as it's going towards community purposes. So you would fill out your name, whether that's your artist name, your real name, who's receiving the grant, your email, your Discord username, and you do need to include the little hashtag and numbers next to your name. You link your Audius profile, detail what your grant is for exactly, the total amount of audio tokens requested, which can be a maximum of 2,500, the ETH address or your Audius wallet address you receive it to, the breakdown of exactly how you're going to spend that grant. And if you have a referral of anyone who would vouch for you, you can enter it here. You can enter us if you want. Referrals actually receive, I believe it's 100 audio. So yeah. If there's anyone else working on this with you and anything else you think they should know, then just submit it. And that's pretty much it.
Now that we explained all about what the Audio Grants is and the Audio Grants Committee, we're going to tell you about our firsthand experience with utilizing the Audio Grants for our remix contest.
Let's get it. So the first thing is apply for the audio grant application early, like at least a week before you plan to begin the contest, at the very least. Be specific in your application about the details of the contest and exactly how all the audio is going to be allocated. And if you're a small artist, don't think that you can only apply for a tiny amount just because of that. Like, you can apply for a good amount. The maximum, I believe, is 2,500. Just know that you have to be able to justify the reason for the amount that you're applying for.
Yeah, I think that's what's cool about Audius too, is that it's not all about your subscribers or player counts or whatever your plays. It's like about you as an artist, and they respect all artists regardless of their size if they make dope ass music.
Hell yeah.
The next thing is try to consolidate your stems to be 5 if possible, 5 or less, because the maximum stems you can upload for a remix contest is 5. Have them ready to download elsewhere as well, because we did run into some issues with uploading the stems onto Audius. If you've used Audius, you know that sometimes there's just high traffic depending on what the market is doing. It is on the blockchain, so it's not exactly in their hands to be able to fix how quickly the network is using. One of the drawbacks, but honestly, the pros outweigh the cons. However, it's just good to have a backup just in case something like that happens, which happened to us.
Exactly. Yeah, so what we ended up doing was we actually uploaded all of our stems to a Dropbox folder and made that available from a button on our website. And then we just linked to our website in the track description.
And hey, free website traffic.
Hey, let's go.
Lastly, consider uploading both a wet and a dry version of any vocal stems that you have if your song contains vocals, so it can give more opportunity for interpretation.
And ensure that your application is actually accepted before announcing your contest. That way you have audio to grant for your contest.
Oh yeah, that would be bad.
Otherwise, you're gonna have to pay for that out of pocket.
If you don't have any audio, you're gonna have to figure out how to buy and transfer it to other people using your own cold hard cash turned into audio.
Exactly. But shout out to the Grants Committee. Yeah, and be ready because some people are quick and ready to get to work, and they will start working on your contest as soon as you announce it. And if you don't have the stems ready, they will be hitting you up asking for them.
That happened to us.
Yep, straight up.
We sound hella unprepared, but that's why we went first, and now we're telling you how to do it.
Exactly. See? Major key.
Lastly, make sure you promote it. Make some flyers, make some graphics, highlighting the key details of your remix contest. You know, when is it going through? How long does it need to be? What key is in it? Anything like that you want to include. Make sure you share it to the Audius Discord, any social media you have, and you can hit up Maxwell to make an announcement in the Audius Discord in the remix contest channel. And that'll really help get your contest some traction and more people submitting. So that way it's not just like one submission.
One remix later. So yeah, all in all, Audius grants are a great way to get more people involved with your community project, and the committee is always looking for more grant-worthy projects to support. The committee itself will evolve and just streamline over time and adjust to the community's needs and to further fit, you know, the overall well-being of the platform. And this is still, you know, right now, the time of making this video, it's really still in the pilot period. So it's definitely, you know, it seems like the committee will become more democratic and representative as time goes on, just through voting and on-chain governance and feedback from the community, which they seem to be, you know, open to and looking for.
I'm really enjoying Audius. Watching Audius grow and change. We've been on that platform since literally day one, I think.
Yeah.
So it'll be interesting to see what else happens.
Definitely. Like the move so far, and can't wait to see where it goes from here. So if you are an artist and you are looking to grow your following on Audius and connect, build your community, definitely consider, you know, think of an event that you can do, something that will empower and enrich and grow your community on Audius. And don't be afraid, fam. Just apply for one of those grants. Again, we have the links to it in the links to a bunch of stuff and information in the description. But they're always looking for more artists to support. And I mean, we got, you know, a remix contest grant accepted, so.
The worst thing they can say is no.
Exactly. And also, if you have not heard our new album, Illustrations, we just dropped that 2 weeks ago from the filming of this video. And it's great to finally have it out to the world.
Poof! Oh, I've always wanted to do movie magic.
But yeah, that is available, of course, on Audius in its entirety, as well as all other streaming platforms and as CDs.
Yeah, you can buy physical copies on our website. So if you just want to own a nice, beautiful CD, head over there.
Feels so nice. Feels so nice. Tactile. You just lick the CD cover.
Just kidding. I didn't lick it.
And of course, got to throw it in there. Please go check out and follow us on Audius if you enjoyed this video. Audius.co/illexotic.
And like and follow here on YouTube for more Audius info and tutorials, because we're in it. We're always ready to do the new things first when it comes to Audius and make videos all about it.
We do the things.
To let you know.
You already know, baby. If this is your first time also seeing us here, we do have a couple other videos here on YouTube available to just explain more stuff and tutorials on using Audius and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
So check us out, fam. Thank you so much for watching. We love you. You're amazing. And we'll see you in the next video.
Have a great day.